unity at school would definitely bring the two sides together.
We all need to be united in order for us to succeed and be nice to one another.
What I've learned today from Judy White is that it doesn't matter where you come from or where you grow up, you always have an opportunity to grow in the end.
I feel like it's important for everybody to feel like they're welcomed and just kind of take into account like people who are sitting alone.
Be yourself. That's the best person. There's no other version of you. You're your best when you're your pure self.
I really like the idea of being that one little change for somebody.
The fact that we all have different cultures and we blend them into this school where we all see each other as, you know, a level and human being, I think it's a great thing.
No matter how different you are, you can be successful in life as long as you have that one person that believes in you.
Everyone has a purpose and everyone has something special inside of you that you could share no matter how big or how small you think it is.
My favorite was Cooper because he's just, he's awesome with the drums and stuff.
I want to bring what I've learned here, like Dr. Wright said, you got to love first. You've got to be proud of who you are as an individual. Be proud of our deafness. Be proud of who we are. There's nothing wrong with it.
Our greatest leaders come from the darkest places. I don't think any of our leaders expected to have as much powerful voice. I know I didn't.
Maybe we can go do different things so that way our whole campus is one and everyone knows each other and everyone's comfortable with each other.
What I hope to bring back to my school is to bring a more positive influence and confidence. Bringing out the confidence in everyone that I know because everybody has a good side to them.
It's good to know, we come from different schools and different districts, but we're all tied together in a sense. So yeah.